Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to discover the best trading platforms that stands out for their reliability, advanced features, and overall performance in the Forex market. The platform you choose plays an important role in how effective you analyze the charts, place trades, and manage risks. So understanding the difference can give you a real edge. So stay with me until the end because by the time we are done, you would know exactly which trading platform are worth your attention and how to decide on the one that fits your trading style. Now, the best swing trading platforms requires balance, holding trades for days to weeks, aiming to capture significant market moves without stress of the day. The right trading platform helps you to spot opportunities, manage risks, and execute with confidence. Each platform excels in specific areas. Some are famed for charting, others for automation, and many for transparency and community insight. So below we're going to discuss a thorough breakdown for the best platforms for swing traders, and you will see how each one fits a different trading style and why the choice matters for your trading. The first we're going to discuss is the MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is well known for its customizable chart, allowing you to adjust time frames and apply technical tools and draw trend lines with ease. Now, this platform strength lies in its expert advisor automated trading program you can use to scan for swing trading setups, enter trades, or even manage risks automatically. Many traders develop their own EA or download them from large online libraries, tailoring automation to their strategy. Now the execution on the MetaTrader 4 is swift and the platform is supported by most forex trading brokers worldwide. You can set up your pending orders, stop losses, and take profits all from the chart, which is simplified managing swing trading overnight or across several days. The interface may not look as modern as some newer platforms, but is reliable and is proven to be both calm and volatile in the market. Can help you navigate both calm and volatile markets. One of the most important points for swing traders is the MT4 community because the MT4 community is massive. You can find thousands of custom indicators, scripts, and fulcrum dedicated to the MT4 swing trading strategy. The downside is the MT4 is focused almost entirely on Forex and is a multi-asset futures and its multi-asset futures are limited, which brings us to the next platform that is called the MT5. MT5 is the evolution of the MT4 and is designed for traders who want more than just forex. It supports stocks, commodities, index, and even cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice if you swing trade across the market. The charting in the MT4 is enhanced with more time frames and more drawing tools. It has more time frames and more drawing tools you can use. Now, the platform is suitable for traders who want to analyze a broader range of assets without switching platform. Like the MT4, the MT5 also supports EAs and scripts. It supports EAs and scripts, and it also offers more flexibility for building your custom indicator and handling larger volumes of data smoothly, which can be important if you are monitoring multiple swing positions across different assets. You would find that migrating from the MT4 to the MT5 is not always straightforward, but some brokers do not support both, and the ecosystem the custom script is still growing. However, for swing traders who value multi-asset access and modern futures, MT5 is highly the logical choice. Now, the next trading platform we're going to discuss would be called the cTrader. Now, the cTrader is a professional grade platform best known for its level 2 pricing, fast execution and transparent order flow. If you trade Forex and value seeing the real market depth, cTrader is the best choice. The platform charts are sleek and modern with advanced drawing tools and a clean interface. You can analyze multiple time frames, overlaid indicators, and draw directly on your chart. The cTrader's execution is among the fastest in the industry, which is important when entering and exiting swing position at key levels. For automated trading, the cTrader uses Algo. Algo is a powerful scripting environment. While not as widely adopted as the MT4's EAs, the Algo is robust and accessible for traders who want to automate part of their swing strategy. Many traders use the cTrader for its transparent pricing and reliable execution, even if the community and custom scripts are smaller compared to the MT4 and MT5. The cTrader is not as multi-asset as the MT5, but it covers the Forex and the CFDs well. If you are a swing trader who values clear order flows and fast filling, I promise you that the cTrader is worth serious consideration. Which brings us to the last but not the least platform for trading, and it's called the TradingView. Now, the TradingView stands out for its charting power, social community, and ease of use. It is not a native execution platform, but for technical analysis, it is unmatched. The charts on the TradingView are clear, responsive, and packed with features. You can analyze the Forex, you can analyze your stocks, you can analyze the crypto index, the bonds, and so on and so forth. Now, the interface is modern and intuitive. Swing traders who rely heavily on charts, chart pattern, volume analysis, and multi multi time frame will appreciate this platform's smooth performance. One of the TradingView's strongest feature is its social community. You can see how other traders analyze the market, share their own charts, and even follow experienced swing traders. Their social proof can be valuable for refining your approach and discovering new techniques. The TradingView also has a feature called the Pine script, where you can code custom indicators and strategies. Why not as your powerful why not as your automated MT4 and MT5 EMA? The Pine script is accessible and powerful for swing traders who want to build their own tools. You can backtest your strategy and receive alerts for your custom conditions, helping you to monitor your swing trading setup even when you are away from your desk. The TradingView offers a free version with basic features plus paid plans for more advanced needs. The main limitation is the execution, as the TradingView direct trading features are less robust than dedicated platform. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.